Hello friends. You are watching Scholar City. Hi kids. Today we learn buildings name. Let's start. School. Kids go to school to study. Hospital. Doctor cures the patient in hospital. Fire station. Fireman extinguishes the fire. Bank. We deposit our money in bank. Cinema hall. People watch movie on cinema hall. House. We live in our house. Post office. We post our letter through post office. Hotel. People temporarily stay in hotel. Office building. People work in office building. Factory. Many people work in factory. Igloo. On hill area, few people live in igloo. Castle. Castle looks so beautifully. Cottage. Cottage generally forms on greenery place. Lighthouse. Lighthouse used for navigational purpose to guide the boat. Police station. People lodge their complaints in police station. Railway station. We see the trains on railway station. Temple. People worship on temple. Mosque. People pray to God in mosque. Church. People pray to God in church. Thank you. Like and subscribe.